In this video, we are going to see how we can cancel the Adobe Firefly subscription. So let's say that we have subscribed earlier to the standard version, which allows 2000 credits approximately. And we have used that credits. We have explored all of the functionality of the Firefly, all the basic functions, and we no longer need it. How we can cancel the subscription? Let's see. On the top right corner, we can see the profile account, and you can just click on manage account. Now the next payment is due on September 13th on a monthly plan. So I wanna manage this plan. On the left, we have the Adobe Firefly standard plan. Click on manage plan and it says end your service. Sometimes you just need to call it quits. We get it. Cancel your plan. I no longer want to upgrade this. We can just continue with Google with using the same account. And it says canceling your plan today means your subscription will end in 12 days. You have already paid for 12 days remaining on your subscription. You will lose access to premium apps and services if you cancel it right now. So we have already used the credits, right? So we don't no longer need it. Let's click on continue. And it says we are sorry to see you go. Let's add a feedback. It's too expensive. Click on continue. Can we help you switch products or change some part of the current plan? No thanks. And they're also giving us some offer for the next 30 days. You can get this in $0. So if you want to accept this offer, you can continue with it, or otherwise you can just click on no thanks and cancel and go ahead. So this is the best offer you can get. Okay, at this point we have the Adobe Firefly standard subscription, which is offering us 2000 credits approximately. So if after accepting the offer we get the credits, then it's fine. Otherwise you can come back and follow the same procedure to cancel this subscription. You can click on no thanks and continue, but let's click on accept offer and let's see what requirements do we have. Here's what will happen. Your special offer 30 days free will be applied to your Adobe Firefly standard subscription within the next 48 hours. If your next billing date is within 48 hours, your offer may be applied to your next month's billing. Automatic billing for your subscription will resume after this period ends. Check your email for additional details. Okay, let's close this. You're being charged $0 for next 30 days. That's great. And we can use all the premium apps here. Let's close out of here. But you got the point. You can cancel the plan by following the same procedure. You just have to continue with the last step and you're good to go. Since this was the last step, they have offered us an additional 30 days. It's not updated right now, but we will check it later in this video series. So that's how you can cancel the subscription in Adobe Firefly. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.